What up, family?
Hey, y'all.
Welcome to the Reclaim Karma Workshop. And today we're going to show you guys how to get rid of these lames. These lames right here. You know, these bifold doors that look so awesome in your house?
Not
at all. I'm going to show you how to utilize your existing door casing to create like a nice accent piece. Something that looks better than these guys right here. If you want to learn how to kick them guys to the curb, keep watching. It's about to go down. A sheet of plywood, check. We're gonna need some select pine board. Pine general purpose molding, check. 1 1/4 18 gauge brad nails. This Tite ultimate wood glue. 220 grit sandpaper. Tech cloth, wiping cloth, as well as these latex gloves when we're applying the new Varathane premium wood stain and a beautiful dark walnut. The top coat, we're also going to be using Varathane's Polyurethane clear satin spray. Door hardware, we'll be using these 2.5 hinges, these double catch strike plates. For our pulls, we'll be using square tubular metal. Y'all, so we got our headers cut, we got our footers cut, we got the backs of our doors cut, we got our slats ready. Everything has been sanded, everything is prepped, all the dust removed. We have our rags, we have our gloves here. But most importantly, we got our Varathane stain. We're going with a dark walnut today. Walnut is a very beautiful color. So let's see how it works out. Oh, and here's what I'm most excited about. It dries in 1 hour, which good. All right, so now it's time to put the slats on the door. Here's one key tip in that. You need to find you some type of spacer or something. We're gonna use this scrap piece of wood here. It's about 1 inch in width to make sure that your slats are staying congruent and consistent all the way through the piece, all right? So the easiest way to do it is get your spacer in there. This is where it gets kind of tedious. And just take your pencil, head over to your chop saw, cut your line. y'all, so we back in business. So we got the doors finally built. Look at these beautiful guys right here, man. All right, so to make them pop, we're gonna go with this Varathane Polyurethane clear satin spray, all right? So there's a couple things, right, when you're spraying. One, make sure you have some airflow that's going on. You can't see it, but I got a fan that's going. Number two, make sure you have some ventilation, all right? Number three, when you are spraying your top coat, you want to spray, it's going to come out in a fan, like fan just like this. You want to spray in a 50-50 coat, just like when you're cutting your grass. So you lay your first line down, and then you go back over 50% of that line of where you just sprayed onto the spot that hasn't been sprayed yet. That's going to give you a nice, even coat all the way through. So, woo! That bad boy pop. See, I just bring it to life. Before it was looking ashy. Now it's looking classy. All right, so it's the time we've all been waiting for. It's time to install those doors. So you kick that lame bifold door to the curb, and now you got this hot, sexy, cool accent door that's just waiting to go up. But there's a couple things you're gonna need in order to make that happen. First thing is, we are winning with this wind bag. This little sucker here goes up underneath the door, you pump it up, and it brings it to the right height so you don't have any door dragging. And if you're installing it by yourself, man, this is a lifesaver. Second thing you're gonna need are these hobby hinges by Everbuilt. I know they're small, but these little suckers are strong right here. Here's what's cool about them. This is 3/4 inches, this is 3/4 inches. Your door casing is 3/4 inches. The back of your door is 3/4 inches. They're gonna fit perfectly. You're gonna install one at the top, one in the middle, one at the bottom. Easy peasy. So you ask, well, how do I keep the door closed? All right, so we're gonna use these Everbuilt door catches. You know, it's the little thing that has the like little claws, little thing goes in and it keeps it closed. That's it. Or you can use a magnet. Hey, whatever you wanna do, it's up to you. Now, disclaimer, no door casing is 100% square, so you might have to shim out a couple of hinges to make sure that your door is on level and closing, you know, the way you need it to close. Other than that, that's it. Easy peasy. Let's go ahead and get started installing these doors.